Hi guys,
I'm Tash
I'm Saulothechef,
and we are
the cooking couple. Yes, and today,
we are back again with another video.
Yeah, bam bam bam. If you've not hit the subscription button, guys, subscribe because we have got plenty of recipes, content, and much more.
And thank you guys who've been supporting us. For the new subscribers,
welcome to the
family, the cooking couple family. And of course, today we are going to spend another day with Saulothechef.
Not only spending the other day, but they are going to learn something about cooking.
We are going back to the outside catering.
Of course.
Spend a day with us.
So guys, see you.
See you.
We are finally at our destination, and we're waiting for our guests. We have 3 guests today, and we have already done the shopping, ready to smash their tummies with food.
Today we're doing seafood.
Yeah, we're doing some tilapia. I'll just show you.
With Saulothechef. So guys, I hope you will enjoy our video today. Thank you. Come with us.
See you.
We will also share the recipe. Today we are going to share a recipe on every food that we will do our best.
Yeah, right.
To make sure that we show our recipes.
So if you are for that, we need to go.
Subscribe. Hello. Hi, Chef.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine. So right now we are just checking everything is ready.
Check to familiarize you with the kitchen.
Our fridge. We put on our fridge. Ready. So this is our kitchen, and we are in.
It's 1 bedroom.
It's a 1 bedroom, yeah. And first of all, as our chef, when you just get into a new place, first of all, check if everything is working. You have got a fridge. Check if your fridge is on. If it's not on, you just put it on. Check your gas. We have got our cooker, and check all your burners if they're working or not working. Yeah. Check if they're working or not working, so that you can find a complaint
before we start our.
Check your gas. Check our wine glass, water glasses, plates, and the cutleries, some pans. You check with water. The water. And in Mombasa, guys, if you come in Mombasa, check if your water is fresh or not fresh. It's very important.
Some people have fresh water and salty water. Some they don't.
If your guests come, you can either request them to come with water or you can dine with water. Alright? Or it depends with the filler if it provides water. Okay? So check if there's warm water or detergents. Yeah, if they provide detergents, yeah. So I think we are already familiar with the kitchen. This is our today's office. Alright? So I hope you're gonna enjoy today's video.
For good food, good mood.
On today's menu, it's fish. We have got a tilapia from the sea, very fresh. You can see with the eyes. And our marinade, we are using dill. We are using fish masala and lemon and soy sauce, and have shallow fry it. So this is our fish, already washed. So the only thing, we just have to give it a shallow slice. This will help to complete the ingredient inside the fish. Like that. See? And the other side.
And I'm here preparing potatoes for kids. Yeah.
So right now we're chopping our garlic. After that, we're done with the garlic. So for this is dill. Just chop our dill. You can smell the aroma of the dill. Okay. This is lemons.
Next is lemon.
Yeah. And to have. Now we're trying, and then we have our soy sauce. So we mix all this together, settle our fish, and you've got our fish masala here. Okay. With garlic, dill, lemon, soy sauce, fish masala. I hope they will love this. Okay. Garlic, with our dill. Alright. With our lemon. Make sure you don't put the seeds. The seeds can really mess up your food. So you can use you can use a strainer, or you can use your hand strainer. I enjoy doing this. Let's do that. Make sure you've got muscles, huh?
What's
Your hand muscles. You cut it. So you put some soy sauce. Soy sauce. For smelling. Then the masala. A little bit there. Next, the other you can just put it to the fish as you have. Okay. Yes. You can now use just your hands to spread the ingredients into the fish. Ooh. Ooh. The fins. The doing thing. Yeah. Good food is not cheap, guys.
tomatoes?
Guys, get all the gills, huh? People eat the gills, but I don't like the gills. I almost forgot. This is what it looks like. You let it rest. So for that, he's doing the baby food. Hi, Chef.
Yes.
You're doing the baby food?
Yeah, I'm talking for the baby.
Okay. Nice. Onion, the mango. So, wash our vegetables.
So guys, I'm done with potatoes and the mixture of matoke and potatoes for the baby.
This is mango. This is mango. So this is our mango. Just This is a mango. Yes. Here, washed. Okay. And maybe the stalks later. Onion. This is some onion. Wow, guys, I'm trying onion.
It's cooking time.
She's still doing the baby's food. Put some oil. Make sure the oil is hot. Yeah. Good.
So I'm preparing my tofu for the baby. And the chef is doing cooking fish.
Yeah.
Not fried fish.
Hot.
We'll put our tomato. Okay.
The salad. There is a
When doing matoke, you have to make sure that your potato is well cooked. Yeah.
well cooked. Don't
Unfortunately, you don't have the right equipment,
the salad is
the different pillars, different forms.
yeah. Yes? Salad? Yeah, and salad. Put some lemon in there. Yeah. This one, yeah.
Hamjafika huko?
Kupika ni nini?
Hamjafika huko niko.
Kupika huko but hapa kwa kupikiwa na nini?
Yeah. Octopus.
Yeah, this is octopus. Yes. Thank you.